on, family and friends of YouTube? My name is Lucas. Today, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to give you a watch now list for the month of May. These are 3 stocks that I feel are on the cusp of a buy now opportunity, but I think we need to monitor them a little bit. So I'm going to give you those 3 stocks right after this. These 3 stocks that I'm about to list have been heavily impacted by the coronavirus. And that's going to be like that across the board. Whether it doesn't matter what stock you talk about, it's going to be impacted by the coronavirus. And that's going to be impacted in the future. But the reason why I have these on my watch now radar list are because I think their price points can drop a little bit more and then they become buy now opportunities. Number 1 on that list is going to be the Workhorse Group. Yes, the Workhorse Group. This is by far one of my favorite stocks. I'm hoping that it absolutely explodes. I've owned them for a long time now. And what Workhorse Group is they are a company based out of Cincinnati, Ohio. And they are basically creating an electric version of delivery vehicles. Workhorse produces electrically powered delivery and utility vehicles. They also have a drone called the Horsefly, in which it helps deliver the last mile. This is very significant, especially with the coronavirus impact. Recently, Workhorse released its C650 electric step van. Its lightweight construction will allow it to go 100 to 150 miles on a single charge. Also in news, Workhorse could be awarded the next generation delivery vehicle contract by the United States Postal Service as early as the second half of 2020. Workhorse also capitalized on the small business loans provided by the government during the pandemic. Has a lot going for them, especially moving forward. Its current stock price is floating around $2.90, $2.95, and it's been projected to hit $4, even $5. This is definitely a stock I would watch, especially for all the news to continue to come out. Keep an eye on it. Number 2 on that list is going to be CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike is located in Sunnyvale, California. And what CrowdStrike is cybersecurity. So they handle everything from threats to anything that revolves around cybersecurity. CrowdStrike Holdings burst onto the scene in 2011. And obviously cybersecurity has become very important with the amount of hacking that occurs on a regular basis. CrowdStrike is involved in endpoint security, threats intelligence, and cyber attack response services. CrowdStrike is a member of the computer and technology sector. This group includes 615 other individual stocks, and the Zacks ranks CrowdStrike number 3 on its list. This company has gained 17% higher on full year earnings. CrowdStrike has definitely hit my radar as far as a watch, and the reason is because yes, they are in the cybersecurity field. This is an ever-growing platform that'll continue to grow, and with a company like CrowdStrike who is constantly perfecting their craft, I think this is going to be a good company to invest in down the road. But as of right now, I'm keeping it as a watch. Number 3 on that list is going to be Planet Fitness, and that's right, Planet Fitness. There's so many reasons why I picked this one as a watch, and if it wasn't for its price point, it would be a buy now. Think about it. Planet Fitness is the simplest gym when it comes to any gym goer. They have everything you need. Plus, their memberships range from $10 to $20. And I'll give you a little bit more detail. Planet Fitness focuses on its low cost and high volume business and is constantly growing its casual gym goers. They are continuously hitting their membership numbers. Here is why Planet Fitness has become a watch for me. The coronavirus has yet again impacted another company. Go figure. With Planet Fitness shutting completely down. Another negative is everyone started building their own home gyms. This is all going to impact Planet Fitness's numbers. I think we can expect Planet Fitness to come down in price to the high 50s. But with its membership only costing $10 to $20 and it being a convenience to most, I see this only as a speed bump. And once people return to the gym, the numbers will begin to climb again. Keep Planet Fitness on my watch list, specifically for its price point. I think it's a little too high right now, and I definitely think it will come down due to the coronavirus impact. I think once they have their quarterly earnings, we're going to see the numbers being affected, especially by the coronavirus. And once that happens, I think you can take advantage at that point, and that's when you get in at the high 50s. And then you'll start to see this thing soar to the very end because everyone's going to start going back to the gym. People are going to start getting memberships again, and you're going to see this number grow. So for right now, keep it on your watch list. If you guys enjoyed this new video I'm trying out with the watch list. And hopefully, you keep those 3 on your watch list and down the road you'll invest. If you like this video, smash that like button as it helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to the channel. And as always, have a good day.